Hey, to download cool wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, first of all, you have to go into the settings and you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, scroll down and go into the themes. From here, go to the wallpapers, and all you have to do right now, let's say that you want to download the Christmas wallpaper. So we have to click on the search, then type Christmas and type here. And now, as you can see, let's say that I want to get this one. So I have to click on it, and actually for this one I have to pay. So let's get the free. Let's get this one, click download. Now wait for the downloading process and click apply. You can set it to the home screen or lock screen, so you can decide. Let's say that I'm gonna get it on my home screen. So click next, tap done in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, it is finished. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.